Hi friends, good evening. Welcome back to my channel, B.M.Belagali's class. My friends, as we are aware, we are doing with applications of trigonometry to heights and distances. I have done a series of examples based on heights and distances, which depends on two definitions, main definitions. One is angle of elevation, another is angle of depression. Yes, my friends, if the object we see, if it is above the horizontal, the angle formed is angle of elevation. If the object lies below the horizontal, then the angle framed is angle of depression. For the depression, our head is down. For the angle of elevation, our head is up. But through the eye, man, straight is called as it is a horizontal line or horizontal level. If we look up, angle framed is angle of elevation. If you look down, angle framed with a line of sight with horizontal, that angle is known as angle of depression. Yes, my friends. Still we are doing with examples in exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Yes, my friends. Again, it is applications of trigonometry to this H denotes the heights and distances. To heights and distances, my friends. This is heights and distances, my friends. Yes. This is another example, slight difference on the board. This is the question. In such cases, when the only tedious is what? The way. The questions are very lengthy. Yes. A boy is standing on the ground and flying a kite. This is our main friend. Kite. Flying a kite. With 100-meter string. At an angle of elevation, means if the friend is in the ground, if this is the ground, friend is here at the point B, this is point B, flying a kite here, this is 1, the length of the string is 100, then when it is, this is the line of sight, BD is the line of sight, where is your object? It is above, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Where is the second friend? Second friend is at the point C. He is standing where? On some tower or building. He is where? C. Another boy is standing on a roof of a 10-meter high building. He is standing here, my friend. From here, he is leaving the kite. But you want to find the length of the string when both the kites are together in the sky. This is the kite given by the first person B. It is a kite given by the second person C. When they unite here, they are together, both the kites. At that time, you want to find the length of the string. Of what? The second person kite. From the second person. This is the question. See. 10-meter high building and is flying his kite at an elevation of 45 degrees here. Elevation of 45 degrees. Here the elevation is 30 degrees. This, my friend. Elevation is 30 degrees. Both boys are on the opposite sides of a kite. Yes. They are on the opposite sides of both the kites. Find the length of the string that second boy must have so that the two kites meet. This is the problem. The two kites meet. Yes. If you want it, you can read once again. Once again, C. Friend. A boy is standing on the ground and flying a kite with 100-meter string. 100-meter string at an angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here, the angle of elevation of this kite to this horizontal is 30 degrees. This is first person. Another boy, second person, standing on the roof of a building whose height is 10 meters. Roof of a building whose height is 10 meters is here. Then his angle of elevation, when both are together here, both the kites meet here, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Then when they meet here, you want to find the length of this string AC. You want to find AC. Both the boys are opposite sides of both the kites. Find the length of the string that second boy, that C, second boy must have so that the two kites meet. The two kites meet here, my friends. You have to find the value of x. Say, let AB, this is AB. AB equal to 100 meter, that is the length of the string. CD, and this is CD, height of the building, 10 meter. Then this is angle of elevation, first 30 degrees. This is second angle of elevation. What is it? Angle ACF. ACF is 45 degrees. Let AC equal to this, my friends. Let AC equal to x meter. Then you have to find the value of x. Yes. Same in this case. They're easy. First triangle, second triangle. What is the first triangle? In triangle or from the triangle ABE, this one. ABE, tan 30. Opposite side AE upon adjacent side BE. AE upon B. No, you should not take tan here. Why? Hypotenuse is given opposite to 90. When the hypotenuse is given instead of tan, you have to go for sine. Yes, my friend. Sine 30 degrees. Opposite side AE upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. And this is AE upon AB. What is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. AE upon AB. AB is 100. Therefore, my friend, AE equal to 100 upon 2, which is 50. So the value of AE is 50. This we got it with help of this triangle. We wanted x from that. Go for what? In the triangle ACF. Sine 45 degrees. Opposite side upon hypotenuse is x, AC. This is AF upon AC. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. AF is this. Now what is the value of x? This is x. Therefore, AF equal to, take this x here, x upon root 2, you name this as 1. But my friend, see, what is EF? Where is EF? This is EF. But what is EF? Equal to CD. But what is CD is 10. Therefore, EF is 10. This gives EF equal to 10. EF is 10. Second, AF equal to, this is AF equal to AE minus EF. AE equal to, or this, my friend, AF equal to AE minus EF. But what is AE from 1? This AE is 50. AE is 50 minus EF. What is EF? EF is 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Therefore, AF is 40. AF is 40 meter. AF is 40. Then you wanted what? My friend, x. From 1, where is 1? This is 1. What is x? Root 2 into AF. From 1, x equal to root 2 into AF. But what is AF? 40. This is 40. This is 40 into root 2. Therefore, the required length, what is that? Length of second person, the kite, this x is 40 into root 2 meter, root 2 into meter. My friends, half a minute just to go through. I will explain once again. I will explain once again. Once again. Friends, this is the example. Okay? Ground at the point B. First friend from B is kite. Length of the string is 100 meters. 100 meters. Then there is another boy. He is at the point C. What is C? Roof of the building whose height is 10 meter. Whose height is 10 meter. 10 meter. He is at this. Angle of elevations are 30 and 45 degrees. You want to find the value of x. First, I have written everything here, my friends. This is 100. AB is 100 given. CD is 10 given. These are angle of elevations given. Let AC equal to x. Then you find the value of x. Then find x. First triangle, from the triangle ABE. No tan, no tan. Why? Hypotenuse is given. When the hypotenuse is known, instead of tan, you have to go for sine. Sine 30. Sine 30. Opposite side, AE upon hypotenuse, AB. AE upon AB. Therefore, sine 30 is 1 by 2. AE upon 100. Then what is the value of AE? 100 upon 2 means it is 50. Therefore, your AE, value of AE is what? 50. AE is 50. AE is 50. Another triangle, my friend, here. From the triangle AC of this triangle. Again, we want hypotenuse. Again, you have to take sine of the angle, sine 45. Opposite AF. AF upon AC is x. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore, AF. AF is x upon root 2. X upon root 2. Yes, my friends. But what about EF? EF is CD. CD is 10. So the value of EF is 10. EF is 10. Then we want to find the value of what, my friend? AF. What is AF? It is AE minus EF. What is the value of AE? 50. 50. Minus EF. What is the value of EF? EF is 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Therefore, AF is 40. AF is 40. Use second. From 1, what is x? Root 2 into AF. What is the value of AF? 40. Therefore, what is x? 40 into root 2. What is your x? That is the required here. See. Find the length. X is length of the string that the second boy must have so that the two kites meet here. They meet. The value of AC. This is the length of the string for what? Second kite from the second person. This is I have written in the simple language of mathematics. Required length is 40 into root 2 meters, my friend. This is another good example. A good example. Yes, my friends. Next example. Next example. Yes. Next example, this is example number 13. Example number 13 from your exercise 12.1. Example number 13, exercise 12.1. The statement is, as observed, from the top of a lighthouse. Friend is on the top of the lighthouse. 75 meters high from the ground. Height of the lighthouse is 75 meters. The angle of depression. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between the two ships. Yes. My friends, this is ships are what? Level of the water. At one end here there is a lighthouse whose height is 75. AB. Lighthouse. The friend is here at the point A. From A, this is the horizontal line. This AX is the horizontal line. AX. AX is the horizontal line. Then there are two ships here, C and D. There are two shifts. First shift C, second shift D. From here he is observing. Then where? These are the two objects below the horizontal line. Below the horizontal line. Below the horizontal line means the angles formed are depressions. Angles formed are depressions. Yes, my friend. This is one angle 30 degrees. This is 30. My friend, this is 45 degrees. Then you know the height of this lighthouse is 75 meter. Height of this lighthouse. Yes. Then you have to make use what? Your high school geometry. These 90 here, 90 here means what? These are the two parallel lines. AX is parallel to BD. Then they cut. What about these two angles? They are alternative angles. This is first alternative angle, 30 degrees. This is second alternative angle, 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Yes, ma'am. Whatever is, you have to write it. Write, friends. Write it. Yes. First, to write the things first. Let AB (75 meter). That is what, my friends? This is the lighthouse. Be the lighthouse. Be the lighthouse. Yes. Then C and D are shifts. C and D are shifts, two shifts. Angle of depressions. Angles of depressions are, tell my friend, angle XAD. Angle XAD is 30 degrees. Angle XAC is 45 degrees. Is 45 degrees. Then find what? The distance CD. Find distance CD. Distance CD. For this, my friends, we take this equal to X. This is X. You take this equal to Y. This is Y. Then you want to find the value of Y, my friends. So that what is the length? Length BD. Length BD is X plus Y. This is X plus Y. BD. This is X plus Y. X plus Y. Yes, same. First we have to make use what? From geometry. This is 30, this is 45. First we have to write. From geometry, we have angle XAD equal to angle XAD equal to angle ADB. 30 degrees pi. Alternative angles. Alternative angles. Second, similarly, angle, this my friend, XAC, this is 45, XAC equal to angle ACB, angle XAC equal to angle ACB equal to 45 degrees. It is also what, my friend, alternative angles. Yes, now you have both the triangles. 45 as the value of tan 45 is what you have to consider tan 45. Opposite side AB upon BC, adjacent side, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 45. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. You know the values. Tan 45 is 1. What is the value of AB? This, my friend. AB is 75 meter. BC, what is the value of BC? Okay, I write here. Let BC equal to X and CD equal to Y. Then tell my friend, what about BD? BD equal to BC plus CD, which is X plus Y. I have written here. Let BC is X, CD is Y, therefore BD equal to X plus Y. BD equal to X plus Y. Then what is BC, my friend? BC is X. From this cross multiplication, the value of X is 75 meter. 75 meter. This, get it with the help of what? First triangle. What is second triangle? In triangle ADB or ABD, anything you write. In triangle ABD, we have tan 30 degrees. Tan 30. This. Opposite side is AB. Upon adjacent side is BD. AB upon BD. AB upon BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The value of AB 75. BD, tell. What is the value of BD? X plus Y. BD is X plus Y. Cross multiplication. This gives, my friend, X plus Y equal to 75 into root 3. Therefore, what is the value of Y? The value of Y, therefore Y is 75 into root 3 minus X, which is 75 into root 3. Tell my friend, what is the value of X? X is 75. X is 75. 75 is common. you get root 3 minus 1, which is 75 into 12. Root 3 is 1.73 minus 1, which is it is 75 into 0.73, my friends. 0.73. If you simplify this, you get, this is 54.75. But what is y, my friend? Distance between the ships is CD equal to y, equal to that. Therefore, distance between the ships is CD. But CD is y. But what is your y, my friend? It is 54.75 meter. 54.75 meter. Just, my friends, I give 1 minute, go through it. I will explain once again. Yes, go through it. As observed from the top of a lighthouse. Lighthouse. This is your main friend. Lighthouse. 75 meter height. Height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. The angle of depressions of two ships. Your friend is at this point, higher point, at A. Observer is at A. Ships are here down. Angle of depressions are 30 and 45 degrees. The height of the lighthouse is given. Down means depressions. Your geometry, alternative angles, 30 and 45 degrees. Let this BC is x and CD is y, so that BD is x plus y. This is the description of the example. Everything is written. First, to take from this triangle, tan 45. Opposite side is AB upon adjacent side is BC. 75 upon x, tan 45 is 1. So the value of x is 75. Fact x is 75. Second triangle. In triangle ABD, this tan 30. Opposite side upon adjacent side, AB upon BD. This is 75 upon BD is x plus y. Simplify it. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. 75 upon x plus y. Cross x plus y equal to 75 into root 3. We want y. Shift x that side. But what is x? 75. 75 is common. Root 3 minus 1. What is the value of root 3? 1.73. In some books it is given 1.732. 3 digits they are given. Take 2 digits. 2 is what? Less than 5. 1.73. 1.73 minus 1 is 0.73. If you simplify it, 73 upon 100. 75 into 73 is what? 54. 75 upon 100 gives 54.75. This is y. Then you want to find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. C and D are the ships. Their distance between them is CD, which is y. What is the value of y? 54.75 meters. This is another example, my friends. This is example number 12 in exercise 12.1. 12.1. Yes, my friend. Next example. Yes. Next is example number 12. Next is example number 12. Yes. This is example 12. Statement is, from the top of a building, top of a building, 7 meters high, 7 meters high. The angle of elevation elevation of the top of a cable tower, top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. This is angle of elevation. And the angle of depression depression of its foot is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. Determine the height of the tower. Yes, my friends. Read carefully once again and draw the figure. Yes. Yes, friends. Yes. From the top of a building, this is the ground. From the top of a building, building is 7 meters high. From the top of a building, AB. This is 7 meters high. 7 meters high. Cable tower is there. From the cable tower, in the building there is a cable tower is there. This is 7 meters. This is cable tower. I take this is AB building. This AC is the cable tower. Otherwise you have to take what? AB and BC. Anything will do. But height of what? This building is 7 meters. Height of this building is 7 meters. This is the building. Seven meters. Yes. Then where is the observer? From the top of a building 7 meters high, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower. Yes. Then the observer is here, my friend. If you draw the parallel here, this is point D. Your observer is here. See, this is DE. This is DE. This is 7 and then it is also 7, my friends. First angle of elevation from this point to the top of the cable tower. Top is here. Top of the cable tower. This angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Then he looks at the foot. This is foot of the building. See, tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot, if its foot is 45 degrees, is 45 degrees. Here this is up, and the foot of the building. This is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. You want to find what is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. We wanted this total height, my friends. This total height you take h. Wanted this height. This height. When it is 7, what is this height? This is h minus 7. H minus 7. H minus 7. Right. Let DE, let DE, first write, let AB equal to h meter be the height of the tower, be the height of the tower, height of tower. DE equal to 7 meter. This is D, my friend. DE 7 meter. 7 meter is the height of the building. Height of the building. Be the height of the building. Height of the building. Yes, my friend. This is building. This is the tower. You wanted, what is the height of the tower? C. Building, where is your observer is here. He will look at the top and bottom. When he looks at the top from this point, angle of elevation is 60. When he looks the bottom feet, the angle of depression is 45 degrees. Observer is here. Observer is at the point D. At the point. Right. Angles given angle of elevation first. Angle of elevation is what? C, or you can write ADC. ADC 60 degrees. Angle of depression is here. Angle BCA, this is depression. CDB down is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Then clearly from geometry, DE equal to CB. Clearly from geometry, it is DE equal to CB equal to 7 meter. 7 meter. Yes, friend. What about AC then? Therefore, AC is AB minus. AC equal to AB minus BC. AB minus CB, which is 7 minus H. No, H minus 7. H minus 7. AC, this is total AB is H minus this 7, H minus 7. Take one by one. First, my friend, first is tan 45 from triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, we have tan 45 degrees. Tan 45. Tan 45 is this. No, you have to take what? Not BCD. One more fact you must write. This is 45. Then what about this? It is the alternative angle. This is 45 degrees. Alternative angle. Also angle CDB equal to angle CDB equal to angle DBE. Angle DBE, which is equal to 45 degrees. Fine. Because alternative angles. Yes. Now from the triangle BDE or DEB in triangle DBE, tan 45 is DE upon BE. DE upon BE. DE upon BE. Tan 45 is 1. DE 7 upon BE. From this, what is the value of BE? BE is 7 meter. BE is 7 meter. Yes, BE is 7 meter. Then another geometry. BE equal to CD equal to 7 meter. But from geometry, this BE equal to CD, which is 7 meters. BE equal to CD. BE equal to CD. CD is 7. Therefore, CD is 7. So, remember my friends. Then in triangle, ACD, we have tan 60 degrees. This is my friend, tan 60. Opposite side is AC upon CD, adjacent side, AC upon CD. This is AC upon CD. Tan 60 is root 3. AC, what is the value of AC? H minus 7. H minus 7. CD is 7. Cross multiplication. Therefore, 7 into root 3. 7 into root 3 is H minus 7. Therefore, H equal to 7 into root 3 plus 7. 7 is common. Root 3 plus 1, which is 7 into, it is 1.73 plus 1. Root 3 is this. 7 into 1 plus 1, 2.73. Simplify it. 7 into 3, 21, 2. 49, 51, 5. So, it is 7 into 2 is 14 plus 5 is 19. Do once again. 7 into 3, 21. 21. 1 is there, 2. 7 into 7, 49 plus 2. 51, 5. 7 into 2, 14 plus 5 is 19. Therefore, the value of H is 19.11. But what is that H, my friend? This H is nothing but what it is? height of the tower. Therefore, height of the tower is 19.11 meter. Height of the tower is 19.11 meter. This is the solution of this example, my friend. Solution of this example. Yes, my friend. Yes. Next is, yes, my friends, as the examples are slightly lengthy, enough today. I will explain the same example once again. This is the example number 12 in your book. From the top of a building whose height is 7 meters, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. This is the cable tower. This entire is cable tower, my friends. Entire is cable tower. AB is the cable tower. The angle of elevation of the top, from the top of the building here. This is the building. Angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. Yes. This is the solution, my friends. This is the solution. This is the solution. From the top of a building here, the friend is here, from the top of a building. This is cable tower. Cable tower. This is the building. Whose height is 7 meters. Cable from the top here, the observer is on the top of the building. Look at the upper and foot of the cable tower. When he looks at up from this point, angle of elevation, when he looks at foot of the cable tower, he gets what? Angle of depression. From your high school geometry, alternative angles from your high school geometry, DE equal to BC equal to 7. If this cable, that tower, its height is h, this small piece is what? H minus 7. Now clear. Tan 45. This is DE upon BE. DE upon BE. 7 upon BE. Therefore, the value of BE is 7. Then from another triangle ACD, this tan 60, opposite upon hypotenuse, h minus 7 upon, what is the value of BE? is 7. BE is 7 meter. Then it is also 7, I have written down there. But from the geometry, BE equal to CD equal to 7. So it is h minus 7 upon 7. H minus 7 upon 7 tan 60 is root 3. Cross multiplication. Minus shift this side plus 7. So h equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 is common. Root 3 plus 1. 1.73 plus 1. 2.73. If you simplify this, my friends, you get what? 19.11. Therefore, h is this. But what is h? H is your height of the cable tower. Tower is 19.11 meter. Yes, my friends. These examples are slightly lengthy, my friends. Lengthy. That is why I've selected end examples. Totally around 15-16 examples are there. This is 12th example. Yes, my friends. Today, this much is enough. If you want, I will do another few examples in one more class. Yes, my friends. Today this is enough. Next, we do a few more examples. Till then, my friends, Bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, namaskar. Enjoy, my friends. Good day. Good.